The main difference between those two methods are basically the way how a hair follicle or a graft is being isolated from the back of your head. So FUT has been a very traditional method for many years. That stands for Follicular Unit Transplant. And during an FUT treatment, how you can think about it is that a skin strip is being cut out from the back of your head, and the grafts, the hair grafts that come with that skin strip are being isolated outside of your body basically to be then transplanted to the top and the front of your head. This is with an FUE hair transplant, which stands for Follicular Unit Extraction. The grafts are being isolated directly from the back of your head and transplanted to the top and the front of your head. The advantages of an FUE treatment, and that is the most popular treatment nowadays, is that you will not have this big scar at the back of your head that usually is a result from cutting out your a strip of your skin. Scars can be very subtle, but sometimes they can also be very large, also depending on you know, how well you heal. With an FUE treatment, where the follicles are being transplanted individually, you won't have this, or you won't end up with this massive scar, and therefore a lot of our hair transplant surgeons and also patients choose that method for their hair. The only thing that might speak against an FUE treatment generally is the length of the treatment itself. Because the isolation of the grafts individually, it usually takes slightly longer than an FUE treatment. But really, you know, when you listen to all the experts out there, typically in most of the cases, it's recommended to go for an FUE treatment. And also with that, there are again many ways and treatment details that can be individually assessed for yourself and your own needs.